Are you a male driver? Do you pay more for insurance? Buy www.autoinsurancequotesnow.com, www.autoinsurancequotesnow.com. Find out how to get the most cost-effective car insurance coverage. Do you know that men in the state of Arizona have to pay an insurance coverage premium no less than 5% higher than the charges charged for women drivers? In fact, although there are exceptions, the normal pattern is that males must pay more, and so they need to pay extra by a significant amount if they want car insurance. Does this imply it's best to rush to get your car insurance in your wife's name? Well, that's one option. Nevertheless, the first thing to do is to pause a bit and take a long and thorough look at your automobile insurance coverage policy. Are you paying simply 5 PCE more than what your wife would have to pay? It could be. You could be paying $500 more than what you want to pay. Shocked? Is it possible for your auto insurance rates to come down despite being a man driving in Arizona? Well, there are completely different insurance firms in the market charging completely different premiums. Some will classify you as a high-risk driver, whereas others could classify you as low-risk one. Should you choose the previous possibility, you'll have to pay a greater premium. In case you choose the latter option, your premium will come down. After all, you may still must pay more than your spouse, but how much more, that is essential question. Would it not be wonderful if you happened to had a clear view of all the estimates and quotes obtained from totally different insurance firms? You would want auto insurance coverage quotes decided specifically for your requirements. You might have crashed your vehicle badly last year. Or, you may have been having fun with no claims for the past 10 years at a stretch. In each instances, your premium will differ considerably from the common driver. Hence, not only do you want estimates from completely different insurance coverage companies, but you want these estimates to be suited to your driver profile. Fortunately, a multiple quote insurance website such as www.autoinsurancequotesnow.com performs this activity for free. You will get all the details online at zero cost. After you have checked these websites out, you will have a clearer picture of how much you must pay a year, how much is the most costly insurance company charging a year, how much is the cheapest insurance firm charging a year, why is there such huge difference between the two. It is very important to examine insurance quotes before getting signed up with an insurance policy. If you examine insurance coverage quotes, you can rest assured you are saving time and money because you can get the lowest insurance quote. Car insurance is required of drivers in each state, and you do need to get the cheapest car insurance, and using a multiple quote insurance website such as www.autoinsurancequotesnow.com will save you $. Visit www.autoinsurancequotesnow.com today for the best free quotes.